So project identification method. Problems can be identified based on the pain statements of your customer. We call them customer voice. Same way, your business leaders will also have certain problems. Suppose if you are head of the department, you will have a lot of problem, and some of your problems are your inventory levels are high, so your boss is always shouting with you, and then your cycle time is very high. Most of the time you are not able to deliver on time. There are a lot of in-house rejections. What are these voice? Voice of business. Voice of business comes from business leaders, not all employees, right? When you use the word employees, they become internal customer. When you use the word leaders, managers, maybe you can call it voice of business. Then cost of poor quality. All the failures will have a cost associated, whether it is rejection or whether it is overproduction or whether it is higher inventory or whether it is customer complaints, whether it is a warranty claim, product recall, everything. In fact, every voice of customer, every voice of business will have a cost associated. And this is easiest way. You can measure your problem in terms of dollars. You call it cost of poor quality. So all the three we are going to learn here. Once you know, you can convert everything into a measurable metric. CTQ is a measurable metric derived from VOC. CTB is a measurable metric derived from VOB. Cost of poor quality is already a metric that is derived from your failures cost. And now you have a lot of projects. Right after the certification, no, you are in a slight dilemma whether I will be able to identify project or not. Now, how many projects are lining up for you? So many projects. Now the challenge is which project you must do first. Which one should be given the priority?
Voice of customer.
Right. And now there is a voice of customer. I'm telling you, not a lot of people are visiting my shopping mall. Now, what is this voice of customer or voice of business? This is voice of
Business.
business. I have put it wrongly here. So you have identified correctly. This is not voice of customer. This is voice of business. And so I should not call it as CTQ. I should call it as CTB. Now, what could be a CTB? One of the CTB may be footfall. The number of people visiting my mall for a given period of time. Am I right? Is it reflecting your pain? Definitely, right? And don't think that one voice can lead to only one CTQ. There could be many CTQ, right? Many CTQ or many CTB. The voice of business. We are not able to maintain consistency in filling the wine bottles. 100 ml bottle contains only 95 ml. Now you are in trouble. You are losing 5 ml, right? So now, what is the CTB here? Fill volume, fill height, fill weight. There are many ways you can measure. Whichever is most appropriate. Always you must use the most appropriate tool, right? You can measure the volume in terms of height also, in terms of weight also, in terms of exact volume also. So choose the best one. And now cost of poor quality. Our light bulbs line is facing higher rejections at the final inspection. Final inspection, you are losing 20% of your products. And now the rejection rate, rejection percentage. That's how you develop a lot of projects. Hope it is clear. Now CTQ tree. This is a tool which will convert your voice into CTQ. How? Stage by stage. Between your voice of customer and CTQ, there will be drivers of satisfaction. For example, this statement, not a lot of people are visiting our shopping mall. The statement is less specific, and so it is hard to measure. Now I identify drivers of satisfaction. When more people are coming to your mall, then your pain is going down. So more business happens, then your pain is going down. Lot of male customers, you want to see a lot of male customers because they come with a lot of money. And similarly, female customers also you want because generally they buy more. And now you want to attract children also. See here, your drivers of satisfactions are written here. You want to see a lot of children playing in your shopping mall. You want to see a lot of female customers buying the garments and other cosmetic items. You want to see a lot of male customers buying buying unnecessary items. And then the more people, more business. These are your drivers of satisfaction. Now, how will you measure everything? And now I am finding the metric. Do you understand? Now these are CTQ CTQs or CTBs? I think this should be CTBs, right? Left side is your voice of business, right side or your CTQ. Each CTQ can be a project. I call it CTQ because these are more specific and easy to measure. One more example. I just need a quality footwear. Now, what are the drivers of satisfaction? What features in a footwear will satisfy you? It should be lightweight. It should be comfortable. It should be durable. It should be roomy enough. It should be stable. When I say lightweight, I can measure the overall weight of the footwear in grams, right? And comfortable, heel height. If the heel height is too much or too less, then you don't feel the comfort. And there are other things also you can add here. And durable, how many kilometers you can run. I purchased for footwear for 2,000 rupees. Now the footwear company is telling me I can run 5,000 kilometers. Now I get an idea of its durability, right? And roomy enough. Can I move my fingers after wearing the shoe? The contour, width and depth will speak about it, right? Whether the footwear is stable or not. Whether the heel is flat throughout or is there any inclination that creates imbalance. So likewise, the problem or the voice of the customer, here it is clearly voice of the customer. So I call them CTQ. If it is voice of business on the left side, right side will be CTB. And now there is a question to all of you. A customer complains about delay in delivery or delay in responding to the queries. A customer raises a query, but your team is responding very late. Now a metric or a CTQ metric that can be used to track performance is, what is that?
Response time.
Beautiful. Hope all of you are able to understand that. The correct answer is response time. You must always identify the right metric, right? Then only you will be able to pick up the right process. Otherwise, with the wrong metric, you will land in a long process. A customer segment complains about a longer transaction. A metric that can be used to track performance is
Transaction time.
beautiful. Transaction time. Correct. So voice of customer analysis, voice of business analysis, cost of poor quality analysis can get you number of projects, right? And you can see a lot of examples here. Dash comes from within the business and dash is provided by the customer.
Voice of business.
COP, voice of business comes from business and voice of customer comes provided by customer.
First one is VOB. VOB comes within business. Dash is provided by the customer. VOC. So the option is already written, green color. Your job become easier. All right. So now moving on to the cost of quality.